Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Binance account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in binance.com and click on enter. Now, you'll be directed to official homepage of Binance. After that, at the top right corner of your screen, you can see sign up button. Click on it. You can sign up using your email address or phone number by typing in this field here. You can also sign up using a Google account or Apple account. I am going to sign up with my Google account. Now, check this box here and click on next. After that, again click on next button. As you can see that your Binance account has been created. And that is how you can create a Binance account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.